Accessing your library account online is easy at the libraries in Clackamas County, or LINC for short. Here's what you'll learn in this brief tutorial. First, I'll show you how to log into your library account. Then, I'll show you how to manage your library account, including editing your personal information and looking at all of your items that are checked out, any holds you may have, or fines. The first thing you need to do is go to www.linc.org. From this page, click on the My Account tab here at the top of the page. Then, enter your library card number and PIN. Your PIN is usually the last 4 digits of your phone number, unless you selected something different when you set up your library card. If you have forgotten your PIN, click on the Forgot My PIN link and it will take you through the steps to set up a new PIN. Once you are all set, click on Log In. From this next screen that comes up, you'll see a variety of tabs about your account, checkouts, holds, and any fines which might be on your account. Currently, the Account Information tab is selected. You can see your name, your library card number, your email address, and phone number. If you click on Edit, you'll be able to update your email or phone number. It is important to keep this information current so your library can reach you when holds are ready for you to check out, or if there are any issues with your account. Since I'm not making any changes, I'll click on the Cancel button. You can also click on Preferences here at the bottom of the page and make any changes for the default information on your account. For example, you can change the preferred pickup library for where you would like to pick up items. You'll also see this checkbox, where you can authorize the library to save your checkout history. The day after you click this box, you'll be able to see a history of what you check out from that day forward. It is important to click the Update button to confirm and save any changes that you have made to your account on this tab. Moving on to the Checkouts tab, you will see both an option for library and digital checkouts. If you select digital checkouts, you'll see all the ebooks or downloadable audiobooks you have checked out, along with the day they expire. From the library checkouts area, you can see what books, DVDs, and CDs you have checked out from any of our 13 libraries, and you can select items to see if you can renew them. Items cannot be renewed if someone else has a hold on them. And if you've activated your checkout history, this is where you can see that list. Moving on to the Holds tab, you can see physical items you have on hold, like books, CDs, or DVDs, and their current status, as well as digital holds. This hold is third in line. If it were ready to check out, you would be able to download it directly from the Holds tab. If you have changed your mind about a hold, simply click on the box next to the item and click Cancel Hold, and then select Yes to confirm. Finally, we'll look at the Fines tab. This is a great place to keep track of any current fines or blocks which you might have on your account. You can also check to see what items are currently accruing fines, such as items that are overdue and have not yet been renewed. Fines are easy to take care of at your local library in Clackamas County. Keep an eye out for Food for Fines events throughout the year, where you can bring in non-perishable food to donate and get a reduction in your fines. Those are the basics of accessing your library account through our library website. Today we've learned how to log into your account and manage your account information, such as your contact information, what items you have checked out, and your holds and fines. If you have any questions at all, please contact me at rcole@g.emporia.edu. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you at the library.